Globe Telecom Mobile Operator Full Review. Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. Links to Globe Telecom products and plans are in the description below. Globe Telecom is one of the largest and most popular mobile operators in the Philippines, known for its diverse range of services catering to both personal and business users. They offer a variety of prepaid, postpaid, and data-centric plans, making it a great choice for people with different needs. Globe Telecom provides high-speed 4G LTE and 5G services in major urban areas, offering fast internet for streaming, gaming, and remote work. Additionally, Globe offers a range of value-added services such as mobile banking, entertainment bundles, and a loyalty program, giving users extra benefits beyond just mobile connectivity. One of Globe Telecom's key strengths is its extensive 4G and 5G coverage, particularly in Metro Manila and other key regions of the country. They've been investing heavily in expanding their network and 5G rollout, making it an attractive option for users seeking fast internet speeds. Their flexible prepaid plans allow customers to customize their data usage, talk time, and text allowances, providing more control over their mobile expenses. Globe's postpaid plans are also well structured, offering bundled services for users who want a more comprehensive mobile experience. However, Globe does have some weaknesses. While their coverage is strong in urban areas, users in remote or rural locations may experience slower speeds or network instability. Another downside is the pricing, which can be higher than some competitors like Smart Communications or Sun Cellular, especially when it comes to data-heavy plans. Additionally, some customers have reported inconsistent customer service experiences, especially during peak periods when demand is high. In conclusion, Globe Telecom is an excellent choice for users who prioritize fast internet speeds, strong coverage in urban areas, and flexible plans. If you're willing to pay a premium for these features and the additional value-added services, Globe is a solid option for your mobile needs. Check the links in the description for more details on Globe Telecom's latest offers and packages.